In this video, I show you how to make this rotor bit holder to organize your rotor bits. Hi, I'm AJ and you're watching Woodified. I make DIY and woodworking videos. If you'd like to learn how to do stuff yourself, please subscribe and click the bell notification button so you don't miss any of my content. Your rotor bits need to be stored correctly so the blades don't get dull or chipped from rolling around, bumping into each other. If you like this video, please leave me a comment below and hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.